Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, check the lateral gap and confirm at least 5 to 2 car lengths of space. This gives margin for steering corrections. Once done, match your speed with the adjacent traffic so you won't be braking mid-maneuver. Make sure to signal early for 3-4 seconds and quickly scan mirrors and blind spots while keeping light pressure on the gas. This stabilizes the car as you prepare to thread between vehicles. You now execute the complex middle steps with controlled inputs and constant awareness. Keep your hands steady and use small, deliberate steering corrections rather than sharp turns. This reduces tire slip and keeps you centered. Maintain a steady throttle and pick a fixed reference point ahead to guide lateral position. This helps you judge drift. Once established, monitor both side mirrors continuously and adjust speed by plus or minus 5 km/h to stay equidistant between them. You complete the maneuver by finishing smoothly and preparing for contingencies. As you clear the other vehicles, gradually straighten the steering to return to a neutral wheel position and cancel your signal once fully centered. Then, create a safer following distance of 2 to 3 car lengths and recheck mirrors to confirm surrounding traffic behavior. If the gap tightens or a car moves unpredictably, abort immediately. Ease off the gas, signal, and gently fall back to a safe position. This single troubleshooting step prevents most close calls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.